From decay to design, what you see here was once forgotten, a space worn down by time, cracked, broken, abandoned. But every structure holds potential. The transformation begins. Walls fall, dust rises. The past is stripped away, piece by piece. What remains is possibility. Precision takes over. Lines are drawn. A vision emerges where chaos once lived. A path is carved, not just into concrete, but into imagination. Then, the breakthrough. A river is born. Liquid light flows into form, glowing, shifting, settling into something alive. Not just a floor, but a statement. Above it, structure rises. Steel curves into motion. A staircase, sculpted, not built. Connecting levels, elevating space. Details begin to breathe. Stone, glass, light. Each element placed with intention. Each surface refined. And then it happens. The space awakens. Light dances across the river floor. Reflections stretch. Depth unfolds. What was once empty is now extraordinary. This is more than renovation. This is transformation. From ruin to rhythm, from structure to story. And now it lives.